I have been doing this type of typewritten drawings since 1967. That is the day the Senator Robert Kennedy was assassinated. Drawing of Lord Rama, with significance to the Ram Janmabhoomi Puja. So my little contribution to our country. As an artist, I am dedicating this to our Rama temple. It will bring more laurel and glory to our country, and I hope entire world will recognize our culture and our religion.